E quando que fizeram a igreja?
Boa tarde.
He's laughing because we're laughing.
Come here.
We were laughing and the parrot laughed. Look at the color. The eyes change.
Boa tarde. Boa tarde. Loru.
Oi.
Loru.
He said the church has been up for 2 years.
Oh, there. He copied you. He copied what you said.
Some metal and everything. And then
Hello.
they don't have to do the roof.
Hello.
And basically, that's good.
Oh, okay.
They already had made it. It
Hello.
Wow.
And did the church,
Okay.
did the church raise, the people raise the money to build the church?
E a igreja que pegou dinheiro para construir os materiais só foi tudo a
Last one.
teve que arrecadar dinheiro para a igreja, foi tudo doação.
Look at this.
A lot of donations, but we
Oh,
also,
you know
they also
what?
raised some money.
The battery. Oh, he turned around. And, hello. Hello. What is he?
Okay, everybody, let's start laughing. Oh, see, he's laughing. See?
Built the church yourself.
Não é a igreja, né? All the members of the church and his family. And then every mission that is to
Does he just do that?
do something for the church.
Say, love Vesa. Love? Say love.
I said,
Lovesa.
Love.
I said he already
Lovesa.
sent the quota for the windows.
Oh, there. He followed my whistle.
Laura just Jesus next to the windows.
Are you recording that?
Yes. Wow. He's laughing. He's coming and laugh.
Byron. He's listening.
Mr. B. Hey, Mr. B. Look this.
What?
It's laughing. It's watching you laugh.
Are you getting this? Did you get it?
I can't stop laughing now. Hey, listen, he can whistle. He can whistle.
Whistle again. He didn't hear you. Wait.
He goes, how about me? How about me?
Oh no.
What?
It's like he
He's
wants
talking.
to
He wants to talk.
talk.
He's talking.
There's 2 families here that are in
I would love a parrot outside my window. Good morning,
He's
parrot.
talking.
I know. He wants to communicate.
Bea. Bea. Bea.
Beia.
Bea.
Beia.
Bea.
Beia.
Bea.
Beia.
Beia, you are.
Beia. Beia. Say Beia.
Oh, Beia is.
Everything is.
He's laughing. Bea. Say Bea. Bea.
How many are assemblies of God?
Bea. Bea. Almost. Bea. He's trying.
You, but
Oh, okay.
Mayo.
Do you ever work together with the Assemblies of God with the people? Things for them or
Vocês já
Aw.
trabalham com a Assembleia Proteção? Você?
Say Bea. Bea. Oh, he said Bea. He said, the parrot said Bea. I caught it on video. Bea. Ah, Bea.
Bea!
Bea.
Look, his feathers are all gone up.
Bea!
Bea. Bea. Yeah. Bea.
Why every Friday is there?
Come on, Bea. You just said it. Oh.
Well, we'll watch the video.
Yeah, right. Yeah. You're right.
Okay, and
When he
watch
says
the
Bea.
video.
Bea. Bea. Bea.
Elder. Okay. Aí tem um
Oh,
pastor que vem aqui.
he's so cute.
Ele mora aqui, olha só.
Oh, what a parrot.
Every